How do you scan a document inside of the Notes app on the iPhone? And let me show you how it works. And if this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. Of course, you open up the Notes app, and in order to add stuff to it, you can click on the paperclip icon, which should appear above the keyboard or completely below, like at the bottom of the screen. And this gives you the ability to attach like a photo or record audio, but you can tell that we have two options for scanning. We have scan a text as well as a scan a documents. Scanning text is nice because it can literally let you use the camera. You can point it at any written text and that will be like pasted into your note. This saves time, but it doesn't scan the actual document. Instead, you have to go with the scan a document option. This will, of course, as well access the camera. You can point it at your documents. It might be recognized automatically, or you might adjust it manually or click the shutter button or whatever you gotta do. But that is how you can basically just add the document right there into the Notes app. Right, of course, there are more ways how you can do this. If you already have like a document stored into the Files app, you can attach it right away, or you can always just scan it into the Files app where literally the same feature is available, and then bring it over to apps like Notes or anything else. So it works out pretty much the same and it works well, but you can approach it from different angles. So I would really love to know if you managed to make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope that I can help you out so you can subscribe and you'll never then miss anything important. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you then.